Hi everyone, I'm excited to introduce our team project, which me and Akshay Digvijay have done. So it's called Visual Impact, an engaging and beginner-friendly course designed to help your master photo editing skills using Adobe Lightroom. So I'll go through the project background first. So today, capturing a great photo is more important than ever, especially if you're sharing on Instagram or building a creative portfolio. We created this course to simplify photo editing for business beginners, addressing everyday challenges like bad lighting and poor color balance. So, this practical approach means you quickly see improvements in your photos right from the start. So, why Adobe Lightroom? So, we choose Adobe Lightroom specifically because it's user friendly and powerful. So, it allows beginners to make impactful changes without the complexity found in the other programs like Photoshop, which often require the dealing with the layers and masks. So the Lightroom helps us smoothly enhance your images, making it ideal for newcomers to like to start the photo editing process. So this is about the course philosophy and objectives. What sets our course apart from its focus on teaching you to think like a photographer? By the end of the course, you will confidently identify and fix common photo problems, effectively apply edits on Lightroom, clearly justify your editing choices based on the visual and emotional impacts. So you can also showcase your improvements with before and after images and thoughtfully reflect on these edits influence the overall storytelling of your photographs. This is about the course structure and tools. This course is structured into five simple modules, each designed around specific editing issues. You'll enjoy the short, accessible video lessons combined with interactive live sessions that let you practical in time. Our tools include Adobe Lightroom Classic for editing, Google Forms for easy assessment, Canva for clear visual walkthroughs, and Google Meet for like the live interactive sessions. This is a module breakdown. So here's what each module covers. The first module addresses flat lighting, focusing on the exposure, shadow, and highlights. Next, you'll tackle dull colors, learning to adjust white balance, vibrance, and color hue. The third module is emphasizing the subject through the techniques like cropping and adding clarity. The fourth module explores emotion tone by guiding you through the tone curves, color grading, and filters. Finally, the course concludes with the comprehensive final project where you practice intentional editing and reflect on your creative decisions. Here's the next slide that is like the learner centered design and HCA principles. So we have designed this course around actual learners' feedback, choosing the topics, editing problems, and that resonate with the real user experiences. So each model includes clear guidance, supportive feedback, and reflective exercise to ensure you genuinely grasp the each skill and concept while staying engaged and motivated throughout the learning process. It's basically a quick test. Evaluation of learning. To measure our success, we have started with some simple pre-test to gauge learn initial editing skills. So after the course, we conducted a similar post test, adding some practical tasks to assess improvement. Out of 18 recruited participants aged 18 to 28, 14 completed board tests, showing a significant improvement in their editing abilities and confidence. So, in this assessment questions by the objectors, so in this, every learning objective had a targeted assessment where the learners were asked to detect photo issues through multiple choice questions, like to apply practical editing solutions, explaining their editing choices clearly. They have also asked about the show. They was also asked to showcase their editing progress with visual comparisons and reflect on their emotions and narrative impact of their edits through their thoughtful written responses. So the future research and development. So looking forward, we aim to enhance the course by adding personalized voiceovers and AI powered feedback. We are planning to introduce our interactive practice tasks like drag and drop exercise, quizzes for like instant feedback, smart tutorials for like to guide by the image recognition technology, and to like optimize the course for mobile devices, and ensuring you can learn anytime, anywhere, any second. So the conclusion, to wrap up things, visual impact isn't just about editing photos. It's about empowering you to enhance the visual storytelling of your images thoughtfully. So, thank you so much for your attention. I would love to answer any questions if you might have. Signing off, Anurag Hegde.